Hello, my name is Haroon, and I'll be presenting the AI customer support agent solution that we have created. What is the problem statement? Aven's AI support agent may provide responses that are inaccurate, unclear, and missing proper references, which can lead to customer confusion, mistrust, or compliance risks. So our solution scrapes and structures Aven's knowledge base and then builds a chat interface with both text and voice that then enables real-time AI-powered support. So what is the algorithmic solution? Number one is we ingest and embed Aven's knowledge base. So we scrape content from Aven's official website, FAQ pages, and support docs. Number two is we then um, have a query understanding and retrieval. So we perform a similarity search in the vector database to retrieve the most relevant context chunks for the LLM. And number three, we then answer um the generation via RAG. So we feed context and the user's questions into a large language model using retrieval augmented generation pipelines. Number four is we enable multimodal interaction. So we display the response in a web based chat UI and speak to it using the VAPI assistant tool. Some struggles we experience is number one, voice integration. There could be quite a bit of latency, and oftentimes misheard inputs can really frustrate users, especially for financial queries. Number two would be answer hallucination. So, given it is a RAG model, it still it still may generate incorrect outputs and perhaps misleading responses. So we need to have a way to ensure that the evaluation is done in a very appropriate manner. And so that leads to our third problem where evaluation complexity is hard to automate, right? So measuring accuracy, helpfulness, and citation quality is very subjective and thus quite hard to make a time efficient make a time efficient solution. So what are some future improvements we plan to do? Number one, Google Calendar integration, implementing logic where a meeting can be scheduled for a user at a specific date and time. Uh, and number two would be confidence score and kind of creating like a fallback for the AI. If it's unsure of what to do, it can then suggest escalating to a human or direct the user to a particular support page. So now we'll proceed to the demo, and my colleague Rayan will um, showcase what we have.
This week's Head Starter demo. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So here we just have a basic UI that's split into two parts. Here we have the voice chat feature where you can just talk to a chatbot, which is our VAPI assistant. And then here we have the text chat feature where you can just send messages. But we're currently working on this and we'll be finishing up in the upcoming week. So let's just get right into it. So here we're going to be asking a question from the support page. And yeah, so let's just click this button here and let's start chatting.
Hi there, my name is Alex from Aven Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi Alex.
Hi, thanks for reaching out. Could you tell me a bit more about what's going on or how I can assist you today?
Yeah, I was just wondering if I can ask you a question. Is the rate variable for the Aven card?
Thanks for your question. To clarify, are you asking if the interest rate on the Aven card changes over time, meaning it's variable?
Yes.
Got it. The Aven card interest rate is typically variable, meaning it can change based on market conditions. Does that help answer your question?
Can you just go a little more specific? Like, why does it change?
Sure. The rate changes because it's tied to an index like the prime rate, which moves with the economy. So when the index goes up or down, your card's rate adjusts too. Does that make sense?
Okay, that makes more sense. And does Aven offer a fixed rate?
Currently, the Aven card does not offer a fixed interest rate option. However, we do have other products that might fit that need if you'd like me to share details.
No, that's about it. Thank you so much, Alex.
You're very welcome. Glad I could help.
Yeah, so far, the model that we currently have is working all right, but we're trying to improve it for this upcoming week, and that's what we have so far. So again, we'll be working on the model, the RAG pipeline that we currently have, as well as the text chat feature here as well that we're going to finish up, as well as setting up meetings using Google Calendar integration. And that's about it. And that's the demo that we have for this week. Thank you so much.